What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is B, for those of you who are not familiar, and I like to talk about mental health, beauty, and fashion. I like to focus on both the inner glow up and the outer glow up so we can be lit together, okay? So today I'll be talking about or discussing the new Bye Birdie palette by Colourpop and the whole collection that they sent me to review for you guys. So if you're interested in that, then make sure you keep on watching. But first, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. Alright, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the name of this collection is Bye Birdie, and everything that came in this bundle is the Bye Birdie palette, which is the eyeshadow palette, Birds of a Feather BFF bundle, which is the typical BFF bundle that comes with a lot of different bundles that you can get, and it's composed of a mascara, a cream gel liner, and a cream gel, I think you call it color, yeah. And then they also have a blush stick duo. It looks like they have 2 new blush sticks and 2 new highlighters. A liquid lip duo, which we love, of course, and then jelly much shadows. They have 4 new jellies. I received 2, as well as Falsies. As you know, Falsies are a new addition to the Colourpop line, something that they recently announced not too long ago. So I'm excited to take a look at those. And they also have nail art decals, and they have 2 nail art sets that are all part of this new rollout. So I do have a little bit of this, a little bit of that, so we're about to get into it, okay? All right, so first we have, I don't know, I want to start with the Falsies. Look at these. So these are the Falsies. Do they have a name? These are called Doll. Look at this packaging, like, hello. It's so cute. I love the boxes. It's cute. So these are 1 pair of faux lashes. Oh, they fell out. Okay, girl. So this is what the doll lashes look like. Trying to cut back on the glare. Next, we have the blush stick and the light stick. So this is what they look like. So you guys are probably pretty familiar with these. They roll these out with basically every new collection they come out with as well. It's like a little blush. I like these blush sticks, but I prefer to, like, I'm gonna swatch this here. So this is what this looks like on my skin tone. It's definitely more on the pinky side, which I expected with this collection because it's like super pink, but it does show up on dark skin. So if this is your type of blush, then it might work for you. Something I like about these is I like that you can blend them out and make them look more natural. I think that's super cool. And I like applying these with like I like rubbing it on a brush, and then like kind of patting it into my face, because it works on the cheek. But what I notice is if I have foundation on, I rub it and it just like the foundation gets all over the stick and the color just doesn't show off. So I like to rub it onto something else and then blot it onto my face. Just my preference. And then we of course have the light stick. This color is Flycatcher. The blush color was Aviary. Flycatcher looks so pretty. We're gonna alright, we're gonna, ooh, I like that. So it looks kind of white, but it actually, I don't know if it's showing up good, but it actually is like that. I would say it's like a gold with a little reflex of pink. So let me show you guys up close what this looks like. So pretty. It actually has like, it's not really showing, but it's pearlescent. It's like pinkish. It has a pinkish gold tint to it. So really pretty. I'm actually going to do a look, and I'm going to use all of these products, but I just want to show them to you first. Next we have 2 of the 4 jelly much shadows. I have these babies right here. I really like these. Every time I get these, they're like super pigmented. So this one is On the Fly, and we're just gonna try to swatch these babies somewhere. Like, what you say? What you say, girl? Pigment. So So yeah, this is on the Fly Jelly Mud Shadow. That's so pretty. I'm not a big pink girl, to be honest, but I really like these. And when you blend it out, it has like a, can you see that on my finger? It has like a purplish glitter to it. So something I noticed is these products aren't just, it's like pink thing, but it's not just pink. They all have like a secondary color or a secondary reflect color. I don't know the actual terminology of it, but when you make a shadow but it reflects a different color, that's what I was trying to show you guys with my finger. It looks like super purple. The other thing that I lost footage of was this Jelly Mud Shadow in Hoot N Holler. So this is actually the color that I will be putting on my lid. Y'all, this is my first time trying or swatching one of their blotted lips. I've only tried the Ultra Matte and the glosses really. But this color is so pretty, and I feel like it goes really well with dark skin. It's pink, because I feel like some pinks you like literally have to have a liner with it for it to work, and then a lot of them are like too pastel for like dark skin to me. Like they just like don't blend well, but I think this could blend easily, and yes, I love that. That's suitable for my skin tone. And then the other lip in the lip duo is this Well Nested Ultra Glossy Lip, and it looks like it has like little pieces of glitter in it. I can't tell with these lip glosses if I like these better or the So Juicy glosses. The So Juicy glosses are really thick. These are a lot thinner to me. So I do like that aspect of these glosses. And I feel like they have a little bit more pigment. I don't know. They have the wands and not the squeeze tube. But yeah, here is the gloss on my dark skin. And look how cute that is. It gives it just like a slight pink tone. Of course, if you put it on top of another pink, it'll look super pink, but I can see this being a super cute topper on top of like with some liner. And you could probably put this on like a nude lip color and it'll just give it a little pop. Then we also have the, what's it called? Birds of a Feather BFF bundle, and that's this right here, babies. So you're probably very familiar with how Colourpop does their BFF bundles. It's always a mascara, a liner, and then like a gel liner. So this is it, and this is in the shade Plum and Get It. So yeah, ooh, I really love, like for fall, I love me a plum. A good plum, girl, will carry you through the fall all the way there. So next we have in the BFF bundle is this cream gel liner in the color Charmer. What I love about these cream gel liners is the application. They're super smooth. When the application of these are super smooth and super pigmented, and I love it. It doesn't take very much. I love how soft the pencil is when applying, and you can just easily, it makes it so easy to make like a smudged out smoky look if you would like to with your liner. And then we also have the pomade, or what do they call it? It's like a pomade to me, but it's cream gel color in the same color Charmer. Wow, all those colors are exactly the same. So it's the one on the far end. It went on just as smoothly as the pencil, and I'm shook. Yes, Colourpop never fails to come through. And I know people were asking, was these mascaras and colors the same as the ones that was in the Whatever palette? And they're not. They're a different color. These are more plummy. Let me see if I can get it real quick. This is the mascara and the liner that was in the Whatever palette. They're obviously different when you see them next to each other. It's more of a red color Whatever palette right here, and then this is from the Birdie palette, so you can see the difference. I know from afar it kind of seems the same because it seemed like they would be around the same. To do a demo, okay, and then I'm gonna do some swatches. All right, so here is the Birdie palette, but first of all, look at this freaking packaging. It has the color names on the back. It has the gold on it. I freaking love gold. I'm a package whore, I guess. I just appreciate packaging because I know a lot went into this. So this is what it looks like. One thing I do wish Colourpop would do is start including mirrors in their palettes. Like, I need a mirror. So I know something that everybody kind of been complaining about is that we do have a pressed glitter here, and I think the color is Ruffled. It's so gorgeous, but like always they say not to use it on the eye, or they suggest you don't use it on the eye. So right here is the pressed glitter. It's so pretty, but it's suggested not to be used on the eye. And then they also have one more. It's called Amuse Me, which is right under here. Oh, this is such a pretty color. And it's like the really show-stopping colors that they have in the palette. It's always like, don't use on your eye. They're so pretty. This one right here is Amuse Me. And this one right here is Ruffled. Everything. The only thing that I haven't shown you is the Nail Art Decals. I probably won't use these today, but I'll keep you guys posted. If I use it on my Instagram or anything like that, I'll show you guys my nails once I do my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and start on my face, and I'm going to use these products. I'm going to speed it up, and I'm going to put some music in the background just to make it a little bit different. So yes, if you're interested in the look that I'm about to create, then keep watching, okay? But period, if you're watching it right now and you're not a part of the B Squad, then what are you doing? Give me a thumbs up. I'll give you a second. Good, now enjoy the rest of the video and welcome to the B Squad. Let's get into it. Alright guys, and that is the review of the entire Bye Birdie collection that I received. I think I was missing a couple of the items, but hopefully you guys got a good grasp or got a good look at what you were looking for the palette. What are your thoughts about the palette and the collection in general? Please comment down below. I know Colourpop is coming out with a lot of different collections and it is a bit overwhelming. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.